classic hits.
You ain't never heard it sound like
Hitfarmers, so sick, you know shit.
Yeah, what up, yo? It's the almighty microphone manhandler, T.I.G. representing the fucking underclassmen. Get ready for another Abstrakt production. Hitfarmers, join your forces, Boston City to Munich City. You know the fucking deal.
Time will tell, let my rhyme swell. Moving the citadel, where cannibal ox dwell. Hung off a cliff, drank the water but never fell. Now I speak to infidels about the integrity of cells. Search for unity in what seemed to be a bottomless well. To open people's minds, feel like casting a spell. Thinking I'm powerless in this world, all by myself. A musician, what's called magician, accidentally before my help. Always wanna move forward, the last thing we want is hell. My man said hell where we at right now, the voice like a death knell. Proposition prediction, we won't be living well until we grow half the meat we eat, the rest we kill. That's ill. How far away that is one word to buy and sell. Where Abstrakt knows no property could have you locked up in a cell. Oh hell, apocalypse that could all be for the better. Nuclear weather that we fear could have our children working together.
Shit, I'm looking down my nose at y'all, hoping y'all don't even think you dope at all. Call me conceited, then I'll be that. I've been nice too long, now it's time for me to beat ass. Total domination, I'm impatient with the conversation. Lacing most tapes and CDs, they should be in a budget, been given out for free as an example of how not to MC. In the superstar seminar titled Don't Fuck With Me, luckily got a sunny disposition, optimism. But try this and you'll be posthumously spitting them garbage written. Let's bury the hat in the back of half a bag is parasitic maggots. Alaska automatic from 3-point land with the L in my hand. And I don't think you understand, my brain goes deep like Janet Jackson, Bono action. So you can get my vibe like Tony Braxton with the ass on the cover. You rock a master cover, your inadequacies. Alaska sees through that shit. Most crews are backwards, couldn't fill my shoes if you use my exact words. Y'all some whack herbs that don't deserve to touch mic. Don't know what MCs look like. I think my shit's the best and most times you prove
This
me
graffiti
right.
vandalist, scandalous, hip-hop's evangelist, spreading my gospel through the use of unheard languages. See, my third vision, yo, it's used efficiently. While you swim in this sea of artistic insufficiency, and lyrically you infants be trying to dance. First learn to crawl, then walk, slowly advance. Cause only the enhanced mind of a few individuals can proceed directly to the use of complex lyricals. And of course you're forced to digest the pitiful, served on silver platters, compact and digital. While we whip up miracles for hip-hop survival. My culinary arts placed on plates of vinyl. And currently your currency seeking, like Gary Oldman's whole feeding and Romeo's bleeding. And that's the sole reason downfalls your destiny. Another victim stricken by the Adams fan complexity.
You will and shall receive a headless execution for not following the Adams Nebula Constitution. Poems are living documents, so when I die, my ionic generation collects the pie. Let's question the dead end sign on the road to prosperity. Offend vast, offend God, that is double jeopardy. After I devour your planet through vanity, a cold asteroid will become your manifest destiny. And de facto segregation is applied when one must be separated from the mic until the day of independence. And your representative, a beginner, barely got his feet wet when tested while blood flowing, heart muscle arrested. Due towards your process, what you mean I can't knock it. You sell false realities to put money in your pocket. This is not reasonable, and I doubt you'll try to limit this elastic clause without probable cause. Because postcards from the edge, throw them from the tips of icebergs, using higher imagination like a nation of Steven Spielbergs. And if your if had any thought in it, you would plead the fifth or remain guilty until proven innocent.
Yo, people like the essence of us, messing the flux of pessimists, lessen the clutch, separate messenger, sepulchre, epitaph. You suffer from lack of lapis, got aftermath. You have to grab the turbulence of your subservient purple pen dinosaur. Final four dying to sign up on your security blanket. Minus stuffy sinus, minus time that flows, your whoopie's gone. You find what? Your so-called purity sanctity you be floating on, the line is drawn. You mollusks get pelted from selling the soul of a swan. Enveloped in total equations beyond the behavior of wands broken. No song spoken, soaking the mode of the palm poking. Paths of lily sass, oh really? You don't have to fascinate the past debate to fasten the snakeskin belt. It's smoother the grass, the grape skin welch. Purer than Puritan ways, keeps her on some knit, serving the light. Pendulum spinning them into women in prison, hit menopause. Cat scratch with metal paws, tentatively swimming in rainbow flesh. The same old guess, the menopause. You need iron gauze, you crying for more gauze pads. I saw sad faces, leaving sad traces. Disappear like Casper with a Casper, decrescendo. Wind and breeze, atoms, span body, catch blur, seed, pen, glow, poly.
Trapped in cold days, my rap flows insane. New York, the cold vein. Got nothing but fiends and broke names. Stay frozen in the apple, we chosen to blow brains. You niggas is no name. Whack trying to flow in the rap game. I flow pain, that kill kills. Detached reels and crack grills, divine line design as rap pills. Swallow your cat pills. I shine for Allah with mad skills. Hold yours, my nigga ride still lock. Peace, soccer law. I know it's hard, trapped inside and can't watch the stars. We made it this far and still here. Live niggas pushing through cold fear. 365 in it the whole year. Stress on my brain, I blow tears. You know life, we flow spears, living. Niggas drink the OE liquid and paint rap visuals tight vivid. It's like critics wanna bite the dick. I still rap and swing hooks like I'm Riddick. Boa constrict your whole rhythm. Niggas is trapped in prison. Relax the system. I act with vision. Fly in the sky, live pigeon, 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 pigeon.
Yeah, Nomad, IMAX, 2007, Blue Moon, check. Spit a raw rap, then get your jaw clapped, the yapping again. Lips flapping, babbling on tracks while I roll through, charging in on horseback, galloping. Running more laps with raw raps, traveling. Quit trying to act as adequate with battle shit, you fragile kid, inanimate object. On the path of a hobbit, Frodo Baggins. Poisonous flow like Komodo dragons. Industrial revolution with Conestoga wagons. Alone and stagnant, thoughts connecting like opposite poles of a magnet. Suck you into the black hole dragnet. Tortured like lab pets, the nemesis enforcer who grabs next. Breaking bread with a baguette. Applying blades to flesh like a primitive savage. A sorcerer with unlimited magic that's ostentatious, intoxicated, obnoxious basics, overpopulated, cooperated. Still a prophet with or with no topics, dropping crane kicks on top of your faces. Get your lungs punctured from drum punches. Out of the darkness someone lunges, cause you spit like a retarded dumb slob trying to square dance. The type of preschool rapper that probably gets inspiration from SpongeBob SquarePants. Heathens try to pull the sword out of the stone without giving the young god a fair chance. Enchanted running with Merlin and Archimedes, sparking green leaves in the park with steam trees, depicting the darkest images in 3D.
You're Nomad, you think they need a chorus?
Well, fuck a chorus, I'll self-destruct in orbit. Legend in Hell's Fortress, when magic spells morbid. Keep the fattest cell torch lit, fall like a bat out of hell mixed with the admiral of a warship.
You're Nomad, you think they need a chorus?
Well, fuck a chorus, I'll self-destruct in orbit. Legend in Hell's Fortress, when magic smells morbid. Keep the fattest cell torch lit, fall like a bat out of hell mixed with the admiral of a warship. I'll leave you stuck in insanity at the brink when I'm past it. Everything I spit is a sneak preview to one of my epic instant classics. Converted from majestic mystic magic, schizophrenic and dyslexic from too much liquid acid. Sucker MCs try to steal my flow like there was Yogi Bear with picnic baskets. Don't even go there, cause you'll get your ass kicked and verbally humiliated. Second word insanity, disturbingly facilitated. Let the bass blast, rocking a face mask and leather apron. I'm frantic like running from the cops, getting chased fast. Then I wake up from my bed as Satan, levitating towards heaven's gates then. Cast out with a crimson shroud on a black cloud. I'm too deep in it to back out. Plus I'm literal proof that you can reach limits that are unfathomed. The tip of my pen is like the tongue of a dragon. I'm the forbidden fruit, hidden truth unimagined. As I run in patterns through tunnels and caverns, in the boondocks, rocking tube socks with moon rocks, flipping bundles from Saturn. Behold my wisdom, controlling the solar system. In pole position is an old tradition. Don't look so surprised at your own demise, cause I told you to listen. Unleashing the beast is my only goal and mission. Accomplished, send my request to man at arms. Permission to stomp kids, granted affirmative. Get slammed on the canvas, then squirm in the dirt you pigs. With bruised ribs, in the bullpen, murk for 2 cigs. In a circus blue tent, if you ever attempt to put in your 2 cents. Pennies for your thoughts, yeah. Nomad, dropping jewels. Big up to my man IMAX on the beat. Good looking G. Peace to Grim Cypher on the mix down. What? 518, upstate, New York to LA. 1.
In your atmosphere, large pro. Yo, I crush, kill, destroy any toy boy. Demolish all challenges. Can't keep my silence cause I'm live like 125 night in summer. Rolling with my nigga Big Ock in the Hummer, all that is precise, correct. Top divisional technological mastermind, where's the check? The ultimate force, love to be the top boss. I'm boggling bullshit, niggas rock the cross. My mind's right, and in the hindsight, I'm chillin'. Cover every angle on the mic, I'm killing. The average rap savage. What? Utilizing my tools to drop jewels, matter of fact, ravage. Ha. In rap, I'm a professional, and that's no question, yo. Ha. Ha. In rap, I'm a professional, and that's no question, yo. Ha. Ha. In rap, I'm a ha. 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 In rave, this planet erupts off the grave. A real deal, real shit busts off and plays hot rhymes for you. Getting mine like a lawyer, willing and dealing, kid. I thought I saw you back in the days. You was acting amazed. Now I'ma get you back onto that official black corner rap. Tom Hill, he's from 192. Like my nigga named Q-Tip. You know how I do. When I rap, I show love like my nigga Jason. Harsh, abrasive like Brillo, make you shit your pillow. You have nightmares, piss in the bed, waking up with hot flashes from seeing me rock masses with the crystal made of rock glasses. Let me show 'em where shop glasses. They been cutting, I'ma chop asses, no question. In rap, I'm a professional, and that's no question, yo. Ha. Ha. In rap, I'm a professional, and that's no question, yo. Ha. Ha. In rap, I'm a professional. Ha. 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 In rap, I'm a professional, and that's no question, yo. Ha. 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 In rap, I'm a professional, just here to let you know it's on. Feeling it from dusk to dawn, in tune with the game, so I can bust a hit song at random. See, I'm like a rap vandal, can't predict me, Ripley, believe it or not. And I break the world record, plus leave with the pot. Every time I hit you off with a heavy rhyme, block, break, boulder style. Let me shine for the underdog, through the thunder and fall. Rain, hail, sleet, snow, I run through the smog like Flash in supreme fashion. Straight Queens action, Timberland boots on so I can keep traction. Physically fit to rock and roll. Any zip code, make your whole block explode like a festival. Eat a corny nigga like a vegetable. Rap, I'm a professional, and that's no question, yo. Ha. Ha. In rap, I'm a professional, and that's no question, yo. Ha. Ha. In rap, I'm a professional, and that's no question, yo. Ha. Ha. In rap, I'm a professional, and that's no question, yo. Ha. Ha. In rap, I'm a professional. Ha. 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 Love. Ha. Ha. Rap. Ha. Rap. Ha. Rap. I'm a professional, and that's no question, yo. Ha. Ha. Rap. I'm a professional. Ha. 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 Word up, motherfucking Laws Professor J Love. Straight up. Professionals. In the true meaning of the word. Ha.
Before it cries, crawl through the atmosphere. We never hit death, feel the force after my soul leaves. We barely breathe the stench, we treat my mind before take off. We capture a glimpse to the afterlife. Turn like heart, blood dipping the light. See it only in war we fight against our own flesh. To free the kingdom, when to be free we slave him. A fallen time like God's children. Self-inflicted, lost, no home, no one numbers inscripted. Kept no secrets, burnt to ashes, missing pieces. To puzzle to shame us, to rain the brain. Into the way, come to grips, no comfort tense. Sign of blood sits, sign of blood sits. No comfort tense, sign of blood sits. Love, love and war and love and war and love and war and love. I war and love and war and love and war and love and war. I love and war and love and war and love and war and love. I love and war and love and war and love and war and love. I have to be walked with love to spread faith. I believe like faith we travel a place. He's left the cast nets upon men like rain. We must use sacred tongue, prophetic, kinetic to lace our mind, souls released from dungeons, lift weeks to protect. We sense to detect heaven's son's presence. Welcome the lamb. We fight to sacrifice, price to pay sins. Free to praise to the master we call Jesus. Heal the sick, hardened hearts we take for granted. Forgive it before betrayal, kiss. Cheek, sign of affection or deceit. Unleashed like the beast at a sea. Seize my season and storm. War and love and war. Born into sin and we born into everlasting life and forever with him. We born into everlasting life and forever with him. Forever with him. Love, love and war and love and war and love and war and love. I war and love and war and love and war and love and war. I love and war and love and war and love and war and love. I love and war and love and war and love and war and love. I war.
Crime, got to get my loot together so a nigga can shine. Crime is money, and money is crime. If I catch you slipping, son, yo, your cream is mine. Crime is money, and money is crime. Got to get my loot together so a nigga can shine. Crime is money, and money is crime. If I catch you slipping, son, yo, your cream is mine. The invincible, infinite, never ending. Too many pussy ass niggas on the market pretending. I like to let you know it's for real, not a rap. Got the strap for the everyday gun clap. The crown king, making moves, doing my thing. Iceberg slick, involved in a coke ring. I'm working with Colombians, Dominicans. You want nitro smack? Check the Nigerians. I'm crushing them, they go that herb. Now we rushing them, taking all he got. The nigga tried to plot on the slickest cat in town. Why clown around? Yo, I peeped your mugshot when the drama went down. Tried to catch a nigga sleeping, but little did you know my motherfucking clique was creeping in the land of gambling, hustling, drug trafficking, murdering, muscling. Crime is money, and money is crime. Got to get my loot together so a nigga can shine. Crime is money, and money is crime. If I catch you slipping, son, yo, your cream is mine. Crime is money, and money is crime. Got to get my loot together so a nigga can shine. Crime is money, and money is crime. If I catch you slipping, son, yo, your cream is mine. I'ma tell you what's the word on the street. Cats got fucked up attitudes, plus thugs be holding heat. All the stress got me running for shelter. I seen dice games turn into helter-skelter. Grimy niggas only 12 years old, be drenched in gold. So much ice, the niggas cold. Just sold 20 bags to this undercover cat. The motherfucker was informed by a rat. Slash, player hater, a faggot that's vexed cause the Lucci is much greater. The way to survive, got to come alive in 95 Duke, cause 96 is near, everybody's in fear. I'll be either getting shot or caught up in the middle, or contracting the package on the low. Yo, she looking little, used to be the meanest chicken on the block. I couldn't tell if she was sick, but she was smoking that rock. Crime is money, and money is crime. Got to get my loot together so a nigga can shine. Crime is money, and money is crime. If I catch you slipping, son, yo, your cream is mine. Crime is money, and money is crime. Got to get my loot together so a nigga can shine. Crime is money, and money is crime. If I catch you slipping, son, yo, your cream is mine. Now every nigga wanna see a mill, and still hold a block down like Big Will. But players from the other side of town is taking niggas for clowns, coming through busting rounds. You would think they was beefing for keys, not only a fraction. Yo, I'm talking gram action. I lost my timing for nickel and diamond. It's all about chains and rings, bigger and better things. You just beginning, son, you ain't popping. I wanna go down 5th Ave and do my shopping. Hit the Valley shop, cop a Rolex watch, the Tommy Hilfiger and the Ralph Lauren spot. Pick up my shorty, cop a full-length Mick, his and hers, luxury furs. Now I'm shining like a diamond on niggas. Bitches stare at my glare when I'm rhyming on niggas. Crime is money, and money is crime. Got to get my loot together so a nigga can shine. Crime is money, and money is crime. If I catch you slipping, son, yo, your cream is mine. Crime is money, and money is crime. Got to get my loot together so a nigga can shine. Crime is money, and money is crime. If I catch you slipping, son, yo, your cream is mine. Crime is money, and money is crime. Got to get my loot together so a nigga can shine. Crime is money, and money is crime. If I catch you slipping, son, yo, your cream is mine. Crime is money, and money is crime. Got to get my loot together so a nigga can shine. Fuck you up!
I'm talking again. Woo! Yo, I'm about to lay the blueprints on 2-inch. Remix. All my hip-hop niggas out there who really know what the elements is. The elements of hip-hop. Hip-hop. A lot of niggas don't know how nice I am with this pen. They don't know juice. Ain't nobody doubt my dedication to this art form. Remix. So this my ode to the elements right here. We gonna set it off, tell y'all what I think about everything. Check this out. Without graffiti, 50-foot walls, they be worthless. The movie Beat Street wouldn't even have a purpose. Without spray paint, you couldn't even see the murals or Tupac and Biggie pieces in the Brookboro. No scribes on the bus stop windows and such. Nobody who crossed you out, so now you fucking them up. No backpacks, no permanent markers, I assume. No hit-ups in county jail cells and bathrooms. No piecing on the freight trains, creeping after midnight. Rival tagging crews, getting ready for the big fight. What would life be without 5-0 stressing? One of the most powerful forms of new expression. The way for a young cat to get rid of aggression and get his name known in the streets without a question. Most people don't equate graffiti writing with intelligence. But before you criticize, understand the elements. The elements. Y'all know what I'm saying? Graffiti, MC, and breakdancing, DJing. Rap without graffiti means rap ain't staying. It's the elements. Respect the elements. Hey, it's the elements. Y'all know what I'm saying? Graffiti, MC, and breakdancing, DJing. Rap without graffiti means rap ain't staying. It's the elements. Respect the elements. And who else but pop, lock, and b-boys and breakdancers? Light up the whole damn dance floor and take chances. Without breakdancing, would rap even be pleasing? With niggas spinning all on their heads for no reason? Everybody dancing, niggas doing handspins, hoes dripping sweat like rain until the jam ends. Real breakdancers, they stay ready to set it. And if Planet Rock come on, shit, forget it. Without crazy legs dancing at the LQ, I probably wouldn't even have this verse to tell you. And ain't nothing like the feeling of some niggas windmilling in the same bougie club where rich niggas like to chill in. And now that it's perfected, they still don't accept it. They front like they hate the breakdancers, but they accept it. They know them little niggas on the ground get it on. They playing Try by 12, I think the circle finna form. It's the elements. Do y'all know what I'm saying? Graffiti, MC, and breakdancing, DJing. Rap without breaking means rap ain't staying. It's the elements. Respect the elements. Hey, it's the elements. Do y'all know what I'm saying? Graffiti, MC, and breakdancing, DJing. Rap without breaking means rap ain't staying. It's the elements. Respect the elements. Imagine life without the DJ, there'd probably be violence. Cause half the breakdancers, they be doing it in silence. A good DJ is like your vibe or your spirit. Always play the right shit exactly when you wanna hear it. Now imagine no park jams, no rap curiosity. Nobody would've heard KRS is my philosophy. Now what's being sleepless if it isn't in Seattle? What's a flare scratch without the damn DMC battle? Not to mention, what would life be without the MC? The quintessential, ripping over Simpy or an MP. The first voice you hear at the club upon entry, and the one who does the show even if the jam's empty. Without MCs, there's no hip-hop, forget the art. No one to embarrass on stage and rip apart. Rap peaked in 88, it hasn't been the same ever since. Now a 2-trip, respect due to the elements. The elements, do y'all know what I'm saying? Graffiti, MC, and breakdancing, DJing. Rap without DJing means rap ain't staying. It's the elements. Respect the elements. Hey, it's the elements. Do y'all know what I'm saying? Graffiti, MC, and breakdancing, DJing. Rap without MCing means rap ain't staying. It's the elements. Love the elements.
My life. Son. My life. I do what I want to do, man. Nah, I can laugh, son. You know what I mean? I've been through a lot in my life, man. Real shit. Remember that? Real things in my life. Yo, I seen so much in my life. But I
stay in my right mind. Yo, it's been a 12-year stretch, yeah. More fans, paper to catch. Industry vet, digital tech, militant set. Sipping old school, more wet. Gold, diamonds, baguettes, cash a check. Long live the king, respect. 88 rec, JVD double deck, cassette. Winning or bets, put your money down on the sun. Let me tell you how the East was won. About the beast who shun. How we did it for the maximum funds. 87 on the turnpike, traffic and platinum ones, a new lifestyle we begun. Living by the sword, watching others die by the gun. Scuffle for crumbs and sorted off the gum and the numb. Selling hot ones, certified jumps, fiends and bums. Moving fast at a young pace, always said my grace. Part of myself for every time that I sold bass. Chemical waste, leaving a bad taste in your mouth. From the jungles of New York through the hills of the South. My life, my life, my life. I see so much in my lifetime, but I stay in my right mind, and I'm living my life, yeah, and I'm feeling alright, I see so much in my lifetime, but I stay in my right mind, and I'm living my life, and I'm feeling alright, What's up, bruh? I smell coochie over there, and if you come over here, you get the ratchet to your ear. It's my life. You disrespect, you disappear from the place where it's piss and the project stands. In the Puerto Rican store, selling kids that beer. Had a bad thing happen, lost dirt last year, but to me it seems only family care. See my heart pumps, no fear, my eyes no tears. Last time I see my mother, I was 2 years old. Born and bred in the streets from East New York to the O. Type of things I see, dog, kinda hard to unload. Fought for my life 5 times, got shot with a 25, now I keep 3 9s to stay alive, racing the struggle, lying hard, king of the bubble, quick on the hustle, where any second bullets will touch you, city to city, Indiana, New York, and Philly. I see so much in my lifetime, but I stay in my right mind, and I'm living my life, yeah, and I'm feeling alright, I see so much in my lifetime, but I stay in my right mind, and I'm living my life, and I'm feeling alright,
Life is a game that we play. Sometimes others see another day. The strong survive, the real keep it live. Through the good and the bad,
serious, I'm serious. Yo, I sizzle lean from a criminal scene, subliminal schemes, tripling cream, blazing that mystical green. Keep my eyes keen, cause everything ain't always what it seems to be. G.O.D.Z. rep supremacy, on any degree, the best kept machinery. Blowing devils out the frame don't mean a thing to me. Custom fitted made Movados, make it pop from New York to Colorado, Cali, Vegas, Monte Carlo. Keep my shell ripped, throw this a clip, tongue be the trigger, voice be the river. Deep in these streets like Barry White, carry the light, married to the words I recite. Keep a shorty on the side, tight, steady for pipe. Stay committed, heavily right, sweet melody price. Old soul with the 70s spice, heavy on nice. Classic Chevy with the cherry red dice. Pretty face, apple bottom, princess cut, shade nice. I seen so much in my lifetime, but I stay in my right mind, and I'm living my life, yeah, and I'm feeling alright, I see so much in my lifetime, but I stay in my right mind, and I'm living my life, and I'm feeling alright, I see so much in my lifetime, but I stay in my right mind, and I'm living my life, hey yo, I'm feeling alright.
According to a news conference held a short time ago, at least 20 people have been killed in at least 2 separate shooting incidents. We also understand that 1 gunman has been killed.
They got it wrong, they're just lost in the bullshit. Mess one in Planetary, gunning with full clips. They ain't touching nothing but the tip of my blade. I'ma make them feel my fury when the seek is the page. From Southern Cali to Philly, we serving them steady. These MCs ain't ready, yo, my words are too deadly. I'm lethal on mics, stand up for my people and fight. Cross my path, I'll turn your light into the evilest night. That's right, I'm outstanding, thunderous raps. I spit it to rock your dome, you're gonna collapse. Once my lyrics hit the quick to split your chest right in two. MC mess in the West, yo, I thought that you knew. I'ma keep my head high with my fists in the sky to let you know we ready for war, so get ready to die. Get ready to fry from the flame that I spit, it's insane. A lion that can't be tamed, blood sick in the brain. This is my work of art, tearing rappers apart. My flow is too sharp, most you cats lacking the heart. Get attacked in the dark, that's when I come out to slay. If you don't wanna die today, then sharp. Most you cats lacking the heart, get attacked in the dark. That's when I come out to slay. If you don't wanna die today, then get the fuck out my way, motherfuckers.
I'm on my first flight back to Cali. 80 gigs stat girl named Sally. My man Mess One scooped me up in a Denali. Now we wildin' like Kaz at the Move Me a rally. Bandana ski mask, perfect out of heat blast. Type of cat making everybody fleet crash. Y'all don't see cash, me I got machinery to separate the dubs, half for men and the beans for me. This rap shit used to be like a dream to me. Now I'm realistic and that thought stops seen to me. So I spit 16s leisurely, legally distribute the crack on track easily. Nigga, out of space, man, we ride for the fuck of it. Hydraulic bound speakers in the trunk, bustin' shit. My blood pump hardcore liquor. Planetary in his jaw messing song.
This is my work of art, tearing rappers apart. My flow is too sharp, most you cats lacking the heart. Get attacked in the dark, that's when I come out to slay. If you don't wanna die today, then get the fuck out my way. This is my work of art, tearing rappers apart. My flow is too sharp, most you cats lacking the heart. Get attacked in the dark, that's when I come out to slay. If you don't wanna die today, then get the fuck out my way.
The board Planetary, I'm retarded with lyrics. I make legends hit the pen and pad and all of them fearless. I'm a cut above the rest of them. My poetic pendulum extinguish. You wanna be fire raps, bashing melanin. I'm sick with it, bitches feeding me Advils. Different from them niggas out hustling crack deals. Heron flow, add fuel to the fire. If the sound crash, the mess gotta loosen the wires.
The beast Mess One so vicious with pins. I spit that real, you rap about bitches and rims. Get it right, you fucking with the villain on this mic. I got my man Plan with me swinging swords in the fight. Razor blade rhyme slicing your flesh. It's lights out, pussy, no life after death. Two of the sickest MCs blessing the track. So you better stand back, cause we came to attack. This is my work of art, tearing rappers apart. My flow is too sharp, most you cats lacking the heart. Get attacked in the dark, that's when I come out to slay. If you don't wanna die today, then get the fuck out my way. This is my work of art, tearing rappers apart. My flow is too sharp, most you cats lacking the heart. Get attacked in the dark, that's when I come out to slay. If you don't wanna die today, then get the fuck out my way, motherfuckers.
The board Planetary.
MC Mess reppin' the west. I told you once before, there's no controlling my madness.
The board Planetary.
MC Mess reppin' the west.
It's QB, 96 buildings, 6 blocks. Same hood as the mall, Mega Nature and Nas. MC Shan, Craig G and Marley. And the real Roxanne Shantae from QB. But every man is for himself, it ain't no unity. What makes it difficult for there to be a you and me? Ron Artest made it to the NBA and we used to play together back in the days. Baby Sham doing his thing with flip mode, while young niggas hustling out in the brick hole. Still and Marty moved to PA to get away from this jail, so we trapped in until this day. When Bobby got relocated, Smurf retired. Now Sweaty Joe is the head of the narcotics. Book 'em always trying to book niggas for no reason, so when I see him without that badge, I'm gon' see him. J-Rock and Black been down for some time. They had the strip clicking on the 40th side. And Ty got hit with a 12 to 25, spazzed out in the courtroom and made things live, man. Shit's ridiculous. Niggas get tickets for plucking vigorous. Baby father locked up for hustling to feed his kids. Crack, coke, weed, dope, whatever's gonna bring the chips. It's like a cycle to how we see the pins. And you don't get to see your friends until y'all meet again. Dead or alive, nigga, until y'all meet. We like crabs in the bucket. Fuck it. The rain gon' come, nigga, you can't duck it. Reality's a motherfucker. Tell me if you're feeling it. Can you survive off experience? Experience, nigga. You know.
Yeah. Make way, we coming through 3 BMWs. Stash box open on times, what heavy metal do? Show me that light and I'ma walk through them pearly gates. Back out the 8, leave your body bent out of shape. No we the mob though. I'm the guard, desperado and full throttle. You can't do what I do, I'm your shadow when it's nighttime. I'm that white line, two to your brain, one-on-one like when it's prime time. I'm that dope man, I got that ganja. Hennied up in the club where you find me. My dun-duns beside me, we posted up. Play the cut like a motherfucker. What?
whacking from Toronto, I should mention your name. A lot of people think I'm mentally sick. If you can't handle the truth, maybe you can handle it. I pack so like Sinatra. Pardon my English, I'm French, but you're not pardon me, patois. So step off before I cuss. Like when you said one-stop driver and them not top the minibus. I'm from Jamaica where we never watch a Stellarbit. Me eat me jerk chicken and watch reruns of Oliver. Try flight MCs getting stomping, cause they living in Toronto, rapping like they live in Compton. I said the same stuff a year ago. That's why I'm dissing all them whack idiots living in Ontario, because they biting and they getting greedy. So I'm watching you like late great movies on City TV. When you see Nefarius, you be like, who they? I'm just a broke Toronto MC that go to the movies on Tuesday, cause I can't afford to go the rest of the week. 90% of Canadian artists put me asleep, so I grab my pillow when I see video Phat. Some of the video be cheap and whack, I'm tired of that. So I switch from much music to BET to watch videos that keep repeating and boring me. But man, I'm dying to thirst, I better bring in the chords, cause I be forgetting my verse.
Yo, Collision, I like your verse there, man. It came out pretty good, yo. Yeah, it still sound dope.
I be Collision, rocking the mic and stopping your function, bringing you the beats from the Tough Dumpling production.
And my name's Questro, when I rock your show, I get props from the US to Ontario.
And Don D be the DJ, bringing the cut.
Me and you,
him and us,
make up Nefarius.
You ain't gotta tell me no more.
Yeah. I sacrifice life so weak rappers who think they style nice. The ones who ain't rocking the mic right, I'm sharper than a knife fight. Grab your neck, crack your windpipe, fill you with fright like exorcist flicks. And I possess chicks like poltergeist to chicken heads. I'm in Polaris out rhymes, make it flat line, lyrical mastermind. Ripping mics, my favorite pastime. Don't need to blast 9 or text, make you hit the deck with your intellect. Dispose of those who try to disrespect, how inappropriate. Leave you coping with stress, I'm ill. Holding 2 mics like 2 breasts, I'm too nice, I'm too fresh. Leave you toothless for trying to bite the shit I write. Ignite a stick of dynamite with hoppers, and that I recite. Questro, always precise. Through my life I will remain master of the main, spitting hot shit. Hooga flame, Nefarius, Toronto's finest. Keep shit in order. If you acting up, I dish you ass live for speaker corner. Proceed to torture any MC who signed a whack. I heard your last track. I don't believe you used to suck crack. I don't believe you a Mac. That through the Chris pretty absurd. Frying like you from the ghetto when you ask us from the suburb. To who this may concern, you lack originality. Skinny rappers trying to gain weight on purpose to be like Biggie. You walk around the city looking for graffiti to pose with, hoping that you might look like an OG. To those who know me, I like to spit lyrical missiles. A true MC like Mariah Carey's initials. What? Yo, Nefarius, baby. Yo, recognize, yo.
I be Collision, rocking the mic, stomping your function, bringing you the beats on the Tough Dumpling production.
And I be Questro, when I rock your show, I get props from the US to Ontario.
And Don D be the DJ, bringing the cut.
Me and you,
him and us,
make up Nefarius.
You ain't gotta tell me no more.
The track done, you know.
Ain't no done yet.
It's done yet.
You ain't gotta tell me no more.
Alright then, me gone.
Even niggas could get bitch slapped. Me versus any rapper's a mismatch. Cock back this gap, banging harder than Big Shaq. Really wanna risk that? Having nobody ever get charged with your body, cause nobody know where it's at. I'm the verbal aristocrat. If everything's everything, and this is that. When it's when, why is what, how it is. Shit is cowardice, my poetical prowess is fat as out with it. Style as well as Metallica's challenge to get the calibers. It was July 5th, taking flicks with some chicks, but my niggas still behind bricks. Happened to bump in the conflict. Me and 3 chocolate hoes, leaning with my foot on top of the mold. These hoes in a provocative pole. Had to know where came a nigga about 6'6", 280. Grabbed one of these bitches up and was like, bitches, you crazy? Looked over at me, his expression started to switch a bit. Something told me not to take a picture with this bitch and shit. Trying to tell black, all the beef in this whack. Sorry I hugged your bitch black, look I shouldn't have did that. Besides, it's 100 more bitches that I can spit at. He said, fuck a bitch, see this whip, omnipotent did that. If you fuck with him, I know cause niggas told me flat out. Plus in all them songs you on, you be giving them shout out. I said without doubt, and I'm sorry here about you getting duffed out, but you knew them niggas were bitten thug style. He said, so what now? Took a swing at my left cheek, then weave decent, step back, looked around for policemen. When I ain't seen none, told son, give me the gun. These the only 2 clips you got, son. empty in one. He said, "Sign, what about what we talked about?" In the scope is about to spit some offers out. Name said he heard it from the horse's mouth. Anything, punch, kick, yap him, on pistol smack him, B. You ain't gotta clap him, B. All that rapping, I'm going to toss him off the tap, and Z should be having me aggy. And plus, I know you ain't trying to go back, G. Exactly. What we gon' do? Just flexing this big ass bumping next in the cassette deck. Direct from the project step. Before they can catch it on flex. I'm spitting death in the flesh, so say yes. If you be living for death, then don't be giving the F and then hit the pink in the vest and say yes. If you be pumping the cess and laying sunk in the ass and a punch a punk in the chest and say yes. If you a gangster, if you a hustler, and not a buster, then say yes, fucker. Yeah, quiet. It's S to the A. All the storytelling. Nobody do it like me, nigga. Fuck that.
What up, nigga?
What up, Joy?
Yo, man, I've been looking for you. Where the fuck you been at, man? Been checking for you, man, especially out here in the bricks. The little song niggas really checking for yours, man.
It's time to separate the water down from the purest, exterminate to captivate. Native born from the tourist, I'm the surest when it comes to rupturing, deconstruction. Better hope my blood levels stay low, or I'll be busting in, causing a ruckus, screaming some loud shit like fuck this. Bitches be scared to stare when I'm in that red-eye tick. I persevere like docksiders, worn by Salvadorians, or the bloodline of vacant fame that I'll never bring to shame.
Global warning, I combust with dirty smoke and dust. Blunts can cut the baddest motherfucker that I can party with from a coke cup. Mercy on the weak, never. Saw your neck off raw. Walk on hot coals and dryness with tattoos on my skin of eyeballs. At a state in hotels with Hawaiian chicks smoke a Hawaiian hat. Take foreign pass, lay back and let them tides clash. Pressure feel like a son of a bitch. I fuck stress through sets, progress the elements of life with death, shiggy to my last breath.
I'm gonna drive you out the streets. I'm gonna drive you back into the rat holes that you came.
True the fact that my presence make a change. Stated name, experience that I get sharper, cause times is getting serious for the hemp law. Man, niggas was scrapping at the Rasho, plus got caught for my blue Abercrombie, and I'ma find a kid on the D-Lo. Deep below the earth's surface, you'll find the niggas remains. Gotta bounce straight to the studio, ain't got no time to explain to you. Po 9 or all those gossip hungry bitches. I'm just trying to live like peace without the drama or the snitches.
Fuck masturbating, got bitches training wacky long, lubricating, feeling strong, and wrap your lips around my 9-inch ball. My word is born. Your team don't want no drama. Team demolition reigns supreme. Word to your marijuana. I've swallowed the funk shit of that shroom swag in Kansas State. Politic with splits, but seen with the baddest bitch. So when you see I trip like Hendrix, ski mask before your army fast against the up your shrooms swag.
That's something that bothers me, man.
What bothers you, nigga?
Well, if you listen, I'm gonna tell you.
Central Market was the spot where I purchased blow pops. Big Freezy, junior high, a lot of hoes used to tease me, wanna see me. Use that infrared they got on TV, almighty picture garden wallpaper like graffiti. Stevie, you wonder why the skies turn gray. There's a downpour, nigga, time you find a new trade. The acrobat, boy wonder, love the ladies, I bust the Christy Snow. Made me lick a gram of blow off a stomach, numb dummy. Pierce a hole through your collarbone, down zone, hook me up with this freak 3 years ago. Fucking hoe, watch out for the ones that's gullible. Swimming freestyle on my back, blowing water through my nose.
I got a whole thing out here, you know, like I'm controlling. I got a lot of things I'm manipulating.
We step into the party comfortable, cause suckers can't fade us. Bad drinking faces with Demi bag stuff under our laces type cat. They leave the club with more dough than when we entered. It's the many things to do when you're dead in Berk Center. My bloodstream's a chemistry set of recipes, testosterone in a 2-part mixture with THC. Suckers acting like I give 2 shits about how they felt, but I'm busy busting my ass to be content with myself. Double mirrors on my wall in my bedroom, reach the sex you on next. The mic is mine and no death is on the text, committing to my caliber. Based on hopes unlikely, leaving your downfall and planted permanently in your psyche.
Yeah. You should have seen this guy on the street the other night. He's the shit.
Once again, it's the fire MC with weed stash. Effervescent fumes of smoke, I'm so trash. Posted in the club, kirked out and half dead, while I'm checking out this rapper and the rhyme that he said. He's front, yeah. Put the
Bust on him, Joe. Nah, he slow-minded. Fuck that nigga, let him go. Higher speeds of thoughts tracking when you're running with the O. Diabolic in my mood swing to maximize my flow. Everlasting satisfaction through my word transaction hand to hand. Octavius wrote the sets and that's my man. My band is Dirty Gusto, you know the stats. My big dick jaws create the strong climax.
I'm like a mad dog after a bone. I'd be all over you like stink on doo-doo.
The dark line got your mind twisted, feel the fall, got your style 9. If you wish to see me on the wrong side, I play the opposition. Kissing the days of luxury, you couldn't fuck with me if you had my dick and tried to bust it. Be your girl's fucking me. I tease her before I eat it. It's all good, it's your thighs to get me heated. I live the life by, I suck breast and fight tough guys. The single is fly, it's high times, you biting my rhymes. I'm doing you fine, blowing your mind when I get mine. Some try to be tough, fuck you, I suck that shit up. You as skinny as I am, trying to be cold bust. Cause I'm with the dimmer lie, I'm feeling splitted like a dimmer. Now my third eye is my only weapon, crushing all time.
This be the death of me. Yo, life. A 4-letter word, but generates some countlessly as I sit and observe. More than just an excuse for me to be living in earth, but a reason behind why I was even given a birth. My destiny is written in words, it just gets on my nerves, continuously getting kicked to the curb. But shit could get worse. Life is very valuable, no matter if it's his or it's hers. So I'ma grab my dick in the tits of a nurse before they pull the plug and let you know what's up as I'm spitting a verse. At times I feel I've been put under an infinite curse. I just want someone so badly to hear my intimate words for what they are, cause we know how quickly it can get turned. And trust ain't something that's bought, it's something that's earned. So next time you try to tell me how to live, you get burned. This life is scandalous, that's just one thing that I've learned.
That's that. Life's a gamble, you learn by example. Life as a shorty shouldn't be so That's that. Life's a gamble, you learn by example. Life as a shorty shouldn't be so rough.
It's like every day when this music is taking me above this place. I love the chase and I wonder why. I love the high and I love the drugs it takes. I'm sick of the disappointment in my father and my mother's face. Cause if this don't work, then no bother, I'm in them other states. Another day gone, I stay strong, but I'm too young to plan to have 100 grand. But still I feel like they don't understand and pursue the truth. Lyrics tell me what do I do to get through to you. Everything that I grew to know is lies, so tell me who to sue. But if we focus on the past, then we'd be hopeless. I'ma grasp what of my opuses in class, counting my dosages and laugh, feeling the voltages and crash. I'ma go now, maybe leaving the reason behind will help me find a know-how. Really was never perfect, I get to work with his pen and paper, trying to become an innovator, a pinnacle originator. Then to play the game and selling your wealth away. They always chasing the mirrors, just telling yourself to stay.
That's that. Life's a gamble, you learn by example. Life as a shorty shouldn't be so That's that. Life's a gamble, you learn by example. Life as a shorty shouldn't be so rough.
Hey yo, I'm spitting every rhyme like I'm the illest nigga doing it. But in my mind I'm asking myself, can I go through with it? I know that I'm on top of the shelf, I keep it true with this. But is it lucrative? Underground my rhythms are stupidest. So is the proof in the check or in the respect? Catching wreck, I'm a lyrical tech. Who wanna bet? You can step and try to battle me, try to scar and battle me. In the booth and cypher I got more juice than a battery. Nigga fuck a salary, my pen can paint a gallery and slice the arm like I'm headed your human anatomy. Your music ain't reality, we write the realest scriptures. DNK, we be the greatest microphone militia. Psycho flow technicians with a pyrotech condition, writing hieroglyphs and tissue, putting foes in a submission. So this is life and we living it every day, just making that good music and dreaming of getting paid.
That's that. Life's a gamble, you learn by example. Life as a shorty shouldn't be so That's that. Life's a gamble, you learn by example. Life as a shorty shouldn't be so rough.
How the fuck you sound? You
Detroit make the world go round. Pull up in big trucks, set up shop in your town. Week later, my wolf straight locking it down. We bust those lead pipes that make those loud sounds. Lay down, clowns, I turn your smile to a frown. Blowing that good flame, y'all chipping in on that ground. Y'all the reason for the scared to come not town. They veggie thugs, putting teddies in nightgowns. Smacking you little ballerinas down in the lounge. 200 pounds for pressure, man, I'ma miss ya. Few hours later, the paramedics gotta get ya.
Yeah, take his ass straight to a hospital. He ain't no Phat and J's the ultimate obstacle. Can't fuck with it, it's impossible. It's on and poppin', you lost for show imposters.
On my east side, west side, say it again. East side, west side, doing the flair. You just a little boy, fucking with a man. Call up them big fellas, never see you again. Why you lames trying to stay in the game, we playin' to win. Didn't hear it once, I say it again. Why you lames trying to stay in the game, we playin' to win.
Fat Cat J did it again. They can pretend while we get this dough. All my hoes go and get it. Pimp and take toe from the hoes and go spin it. I takes it from your baby mama, I takes it from your cousin. I kick it sober in the monster later when I'm buzzing. I make them, I break them, I came in the door. I said it before, don't let it be short. Cause it's not the game to play. No, it's not the game. It's just the way that we play. Got a pimp smack baby on the daily for cake. Maybe it's just the way that we lay it down. Cause just like that, come out the like that. In the whip I push like the Mac I am. It's bitch, choose or lose it. With truth in the music, who can refuse it? Who keeps the fuse lit? New shit. Wanna walk the walk, but make sure your shoes fit. Tighten your laces, boy. And if your lips is loose, got plenty shit to tighten your faces. Let's face it, you basic, boy. J spit it, don't hate, bitch, make some noise.
Yo, this is dedicated to all the Detroit ballers. I'm from the city. Detroit. Who got your city on lock?
Yes, yes, yo, and you don't stop. 1, 2, yo, and you don't stop. Yes, yes, yo, and you don't stop. It's Abstrakt. Yo, I'm talking back in the days, yo, I can't remember when. First time I heard about you was around the age of 10. You were real old school, and your timing was right. Never knew that you'd be there for the rest of my life. Not intrigued by the fancy things in collecting cash. Never knew that many people were chasing that ass. But despite all of that, she was there all the time. I truly respected her, I loved hearing her rhymes. Wanted her really bad, but didn't want to offend her. But I waited patiently, cause I knew we'd be together. My friends didn't believe me, sitting amazed, cause they didn't think that me and you were on the same page. But when you came, you always chill for a while, having fun, cause I really loved your underground style. Plus originality, I was a true listener. Boy, I tell ya, I miss her. Yes, yes, yo, and you don't stop. 1, 2, yo, and you don't stop. Yes, yes, yo, and you don't stop. 1, 2, yo, and you don't stop. Yes, yes, yo, and you don't stop. 1, 2, yo, and you don't stop. Yes, yes, yo, and you don't stop. 1, 2, Abstrakt is going to drop. She started to change into a whole new scene. Some clubbing and house parties. I was only a teen, but she admired me. Told me that I had true skills. Got a little closer, we were keeping it real. I kept sneaking out the house just so that we could chill. And when she spoke to me, I swear the world stood still. So I approached her very slowly, revealing my intentions. But at the moment, she suddenly changed expressions. I knew she had changed, said I wasn't the same. Told me that my game and my whole style is plain. She wanted the fame, Hollywood lights with a name. It's hard to explain, she wanted to rock ice chains, acting all gangster. In the hood she was stuck, getting drunk, hitting switches and rolling fat blunts. Not a care in the world, she was just having fun. And you can tell, yo, by how her titties hung. Yes, yes, yo, and you don't stop. 1, 2, yo, and you don't stop. Yes, yes, yo, and you don't stop. 1, 2, yo, and you don't stop. Yes, yes, yo, and you don't stop. 1, 2, yo, and you don't stop. Yes, yes, yo, and you don't stop. 1, 2, Abstrakt is going to drop. It wasn't hard to tell, she was jumping around. And when the punks jump up, they got beat down. Said it was a G thing while she drank juice in a gin. Wanted cream till the sound of the police came in. Her mom was playing tricks on her, so she gave it a rest. Finally started understanding the words I manifest. I asked if I could kick it, stay up midnight. The stakes is high, but she knew that I was hypnotized. Brought donuts to her house, and I didn't need the key. That's when she told me it was from now until infinity. Now on a jet plane, I didn't know what to do. What would they say when they start to reminisce over you? She kept passing me by, and I always wonder why. She said I'm just a friend, so why should I try? But I still take it back, and I never plan to stop. Cause who I'm talking about, y'all, is hip hop. Cause who I'm talking about, y'all, is hip hop. Cause who I'm talking about, y'all, is hip hop. I love it.
Just wanna thank you for the visit, and thank you for the image. I'm thankful that I've lived this long to him. Songs with the passion that I've lived with. This quick to figure out that thinking was a wish list. Live bliss, figure out your mission and your gift quick. Time's flying and you're lying if you live fibs. Misfits, music with a meaning, man, I think bliss. Ink lit, living got me drinking like I sink ships. In the deep end I spent the weekend working, speaking to myself like the weed ain't working. The weak stay hurting, the thieves stay earning. Being brainwashed means that dreams ain't certain for some. So now the kids be turning to guns. Now the rich be earning the sums. And now the sticks beat is burning my tongue. I did that shit deep, I learned it from young. Fuck that dip streak, I surfed it and run. Run away, chase your rabbit and run. Welcome down to Wonderland, down this is slum. Gravity's done, imagine what this planet becomes. If you're mad about the money, then just grab it and run. Run away, chase your rabbit and run. Welcome down to Wonderland, down this is slum. Gravity's done, imagine what this planet becomes. And if you're mad about the money, then just grab it and run. You ever felt lonely that you're so sick? Notice things that most miss. Visualize the triple wise, my spirit's like my soul ship. So pissed, literally spinning, I keep my soul pitched. This is life and kids tonight are killing just to smoke splits. Focused on TVs, 3D, hopeless. What happened to the happiness? What happened to the moments? The feelings of the meanings, all the free things you grow with. The dreaming, the believing, all the speaking of the soul shift. Logic over gossip, all this gossip's got your drones whipped. Stop and watch it, watch the rockets rock this whole ship. Don't slip, the love is here, the younger years, I loathed it. Nothing's clear, it comes to beard, the dumbest years, soul shit. Soul switch, something out and nothing out, the zone licked. Learning when I'm burning, I'm herbs in with you stone kids. Passion over fashion, all this acting's got your nerds licked. Yeah, money shit, but if you're slacking, you ain't worth shit. The earth turns, we work it, we learn words and word it. The earth turns, we turn with, the earth burns, we burst it. Wordsmiths, writings like me fighting with a verse fist. Bright light, shine away, I rhyme, I keep my words bliss. Run away, chase your rabbit and run. Welcome down to Wonderland, down this is slum. Gravity's done, imagine what this planet becomes. And if you're mad about the money, then just grab it and run. Run away, chase your rabbit and run. Welcome down to Wonderland, down this is slum. Gravity's done, imagine what this planet becomes. And if you're mad about the money, then just grab it and run. Run away, chase your rabbit and run. Welcome down to Wonderland, down this is slum. Gravity's done, imagine what this planet becomes. And if you're mad about the money, then just grab it and run. Run away, chase your rabbit and run. Welcome down to Wonderland, down this is slum. Gravity's done, imagine what this planet becomes. And if you're mad about the money, then just grab it and run.
On the real, no motherfuckers need to stop trying, man. Just do this shit.
Yeah.
Make it happen, you heard?
Yeah. I'm tired of trying, it's time that I do, yeah. I'm tired of trying, I try so hard. It's like I get so close and yet so far that I only get as far as my Metro card allows. And it's like I'm browsing, window shopping. I try to right the wrongs, but my ink flow is stopping. My pen's dried out, my tears is cried out. The years just ride out, my team just tried out. Cheerleading, they supposed to be offensive linemen, but recline, settle for standing on the sidelines. The rest of the world succeed. The boys brown nose, the girls suck seeds from dickheads just cause they carry an Amex. That's why men with cash will always have the advantage. So I tried and I I tried some more, till I decided I'd score. Instead of trying, I'd win. It's when I pried to the door. Now I'm inside and I'm intimate with success. I touch her breast, I dug deep in a love nest. Now she sucking me off, and those that tried, they tried cutting me off, but I'm shutting the door behind me. And those that try me, they love is just lost. Cause I never tried, I always was a brother of yours. I am, I do, I don't try to be. I live it, it's vivid what you're trying to see. It's so clear, it's right there under your nose. You always trying to be instead of becoming one with the flow. You always trying to be something you're not. Peer pressure, stressing you bird niggas always run with the flock. I don't want you to be nothing like Block. Fuck music, if you good at drawing, draw the conclusion. Just do it, don't attempt it, achieve it. People that try, don't believe it. My fate's like a child, I conceive it. In that movie, The Secret, you need to peep it, cause that's some deep shit. If you trying to reach this, you fail, then we be failing too often. My blacks and Hispanics who die trying to nail in the coffin. Why don't you try to stop trying to get out of bed and get out of bed? Stop trying to get off of drugs and get off of drugs. Stop trying to get that car, just get that car. Just believe you'll get that far, and you will.
When you're walking around, I tried to give you my respect because you gave me your daughter. Up until you started acting like a shady mother toward her. I'm not afraid to say my first thought was to abort her, cause I was only 15, so how the fuck could I support her? Man, you was 18 and out of school, I hadn't even graduated. I was in the 10th grade with a baby getting aggravated. Every time my daughter needed me in the clutch, I did my best to come through, at least by keeping in touch. I tried to be your father and such. Yeah, my mama did twice as many things, cause she made twice as much. I never told my daughter about the hard times and what we did together. It's so embarrassing to say we even got a kid together. I swear my life is 10 times better without you. Maybe you should take a second to hear what people say about you.
When you know you're having a baby, you gon' develop an attitude you ain't had all your life. Brother Shaw know that. You gon' develop an attitude you ain't had all your life. When you know you're having a baby, you gon' develop an attitude you ain't had all your life. Brother Shaw know that. You gon' develop an attitude you ain't had all your life.
I ain't speak to you in years, and that's the way it always is. How you gon' criticize me? You gave birth to 6 kids and had 4 different fathers in a 9-year span. You really think that you can make me feel like less of a man? I'm just a father figure, trying to do the best that I can, because my own daddy couldn't take the pressure and ran. And up to this day, you lost my respect and my pride. Soon as I heard the shocking news that your 4th kid died. Now either you and your husband, you both know that you lied. That's why they locked you up for everything you both tried to hide. Right. I can't recall the actual date right off the dome. All I know, my little girl was tossed the throne in a foster home. Right, man. I cried like a motherfucker back then. My only child had to suffer for your own actions. You free now, and even if the courts never sentence you, I leave it to the Almighty God so He can finish you.
When you know you're having a baby, you gon' develop an attitude you ain't had all your life. Brother Shaw know that. You gon' develop an attitude you ain't had all your life. When you know you're having a baby, you gon' develop an attitude you ain't had all your life. Brother Shaw know that. You gon' develop an attitude you ain't had all your life.
All the kids you had
after mine. I never mistreat them. I still talk to them, play with them, sometimes even feed them. Now my daughter got a little freedom and a lot of attention. If it wasn't for my mother, you would never get mentioned. And I wouldn't even start about how much you disgusted me. Cause now you got no rights, no kids, and no custody. Maybe you should focus more on trying to see your baby's face instead of making immature jokes about my lady's race. And no, I'm not saying in any way that I'm an angel, cause I understand that people see things from different angles. Every moment that I pray, I talk to the Most High, wishing I can have my little camera laser close by. I'm dealing with the stress struggle, dealing with the social service, dealing with seeking the fact my daughter don't deserve this. You don't have the right to talk shit about me, cause I'm a damn good father, and my daughter can see that.
When you know you're having a baby, you gon' develop an attitude you ain't had all your life. Brothers, y'all know that. You gon' develop an attitude you ain't had all your life. When you know you're having a baby, you gon' develop an attitude you ain't had all your life. Brothers, y'all know that. You gon' develop an attitude you ain't had all your life.
Enough said. Now you understand. At least one side of the town. You just talk to the town. Talk. To my lovely child, can't relate you more.
When you know you're having a baby, you gon' develop an attitude you ain't had all your life. Brothers, y'all know that. You gon' develop an attitude you ain't had all your life.
Well, I am here, and I shall enter your body just as you wish. I'm disappearing.
Merciful heavens. What's happening?
Look, see, before you stands another man. Study.
I'm back again. See this dagger in my hand. I killed myself. I tried to kill her just as I'm going to kill you.
No.
Yes, just as I'm going to kill you now.
Multitude suffocated in straightened jackets. Stomach full of maggots, celestial perception through eyes the blackest. Naked beneath that robe and pass judgment. Afraid when I descend upon your sanctuary. Thread by my ubiquity, they serve hearts at the epiphany. The Father, Son, and Holy Spirit comprise the Trinity and through the street symphony. A formal engagement, aristocracy, hypocrisy, post-impressionism, theme for mahogany, odyssey, and test leg monotony. Anonymous intercourse, ill songs, proverbs, remorse. Twisted words never conceal the essence. Avant-garde, eclectic presence, objective malevolence, suppress the bleakest memoirs. To elude the gauntlet, you must recite Dante's Inferno for 10 hours. Uninterrupted, MCs abducted, and brought thousands of light years. Detachment, fuck regional accents, factions, distractions. Hypnotic, intensive enchantment. Translate language into energy drained of beginning and void of end. Sadomasochism, metabolism, you parasites I invite. Using the pubic hair of tides to allure and thread those same hairs together and perform acupuncture, acid cure. I have 9 dicks to fuck you in every hole. Microphone diaphragm plated gold and captures every abnormal episode. Avoid the carnage through territorial separation, sunk to the lowest depths of urban cesspools. Extremist chess duels and imposing aura surrounds the alias. Eternal martyrdom, sacred. Increasingly complacent MCs. The course misleads. Poor's disease, cancer's poetry, and soil the pavement, embracing universal conveyance. I rose with the locust from the bottomless pit, with no real direction, only reckless obsession and throbbing erections. I leave you scarred forever like circumcision. Conspiracy symbol to decipher the worst decision, self-imprisonment, the labyrinth, solitary confinement here. I have founded a compound on Area 51, monitored by satellite. They interfere to keep the music finite, drawn towards divine light, unleashed axiom, lyric calligraphy. However unpleasant to your virgin ears, I'm purposely ugly. Envy, greed, lust, wrath, sloth, pride, and gluttony. Characteristics I've long stopped trying to restrain.